We're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a 40-gallon Bradford white natural gas water heater. The existing plumbing coming out of the wall, it's got brass piping, which is great. So I'm assuming it's copper piping in the homes. I see copper right here. And then probably a droppy or 90 that makes the transition to a threaded pipe. Normally plumbers will come in here and put galvanized pipe in there because it's cheaper. But thankfully they put brass in, so that's going to flow real good. We did give you a brand new valve up here, cold water valve, quarter turn on, 3/4 inch full port, so on and off. Then a brass nipple, and then two Falcon stainless steel connectors. These are 3/4 inch inside diameter. They're the largest in the industry. A little more expensive than what most plumbers use, but we like them. And so that's you got there for hot and cold water. And then of course vent pipe is existing. We just tied it back in with a new draft diverter. Relief valve comes with the unit, so that's brand new. And then a little piece of pipe over to another Falcon stainless steel connector. And then we reconfigured this. This was kind of pointing back at an angle over there, and then had something soldered on it. So we just put a new 9 on, a new adapter, got it tied in, so that's good. Existing straps, these are adjustable straps, same thing we used to hold right, and no reason to replace them. We did have to re-anchor them to make sure that they were in studs correctly. Sometimes you miss a stud and they're just kind of hanging there, not really supporting the water heater. So remounted, and then down here was a little bit off, a little bit too high up here, so we got that removed and installed back in the port. So upper and lower third, down here brand new gas valve, and then of course a brand new gas connector down to the controller. You can see right now set to hot, 120 degrees. We document that for liability purposes. A130, so hot is approximately 120, A130, B140, C150, sorry, very hot 160. Hot 120, recommended by the EPA. B140, recommended by the CDC. It helps prevent bacteria growth in the tank. If you leave it on B, 140 degrees, this 40-gallon water heater is probably going to feel more like a 50, maybe even a 55-gallon water heater, because you're sending hotter water over to your fixture, and then you have to be using more cold water to get your temperature, so you're actually saving water with this. But that's up to you. We set it at 120 because we want to make sure that nobody gets scalded. And anyways, everything here looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.